To auto use graphical wallpaper for home screen when sleep mode is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap sleep, scroll down the screen. Under wallpaper section, tap home screen thumbnail, tap graphical to see all wallpapers available under this section. Next, select the desired graphical wallpaper you like to use. Here you can see the preview of this wallpaper. If you are okay with the result, tap done button. By doing this, now the selected graphical wallpaper will automatically be used as your home screen wallpaper when the sleep mode is active. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.